Jai Sriman Narayana. Please keep sharing these videos to your contacts. That is Gita Prachar you are doing. The 8th sloka from first chapter of Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Bhavan Bhishmascha Karnascha Krupascha Samitinjayaha Asvathama Vikarnascha Saumadattihi Tadhaivacha. The message from this sloka is, even if there are so many people supporting us, willing to support us, let us not go for any wrong things. And the final message of Sri Krishna Paramatma from Bhagavad Gita is, Mamekam Saranam Vraja. Come to me, surrender to me alone. Let us give a word to Sri Krishna Paramatma with full amount of conviction, saying that, Oh Bhagavan, I shall not go for any wrong things, even if I feel that I have so much support. I shall come to you and surrender to you alone. Hey Krishna, Karishye Vachanam Tava. Let us try to remember this message throughout the day. Thank you all. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam Sukhamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava Putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu Tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana Chaturmukha Brahma Saraswati Devi Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 8th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Bali Chakravarti asking Vamana like this, O Brahmanottama, whatever you want, please go ahead and ask. I shall definitely give you whatever you want. Then Vamana saying, O Bali, yes, I am very much pleased with your words. And your dynasty also such a great dynasty. There is no one in your dynasty who denied to give anything to Brahmanas when they ask something. And also, Eto Jato Hiranyakshaha Charan Ekaha Imam Mahim. Even Hiranyaksha also born in your Vamsam. Mi Mudavatata Hiranyakshudu Visvajayam Bhusesi Gadayudhundai Bhutalambuna Prativirulanganaka Sancharimpa. Your great grandfather Hiranyaksha by himself carrying his Gadayudham, the weapon, and he went around the entire Bhumandalam to check if there is anyone who can fight with him. But he could not find anyone. Then he went into ocean. At that time, Sakshat Sri Mahavishnu has taken one Varaha Swarupam, the form of a boar. Then he killed your ancestor Hiranyaksha. But the fight between Hiranyaksha and Sri Mahavishnu was very severe. With so much of difficulty, finally Sri Mahavishnu could kill your Hiranyaksha. To that extent, your ancestors, the people belongs to your dynasty, so much valorous, strong. Like that, Vamana praising the dynasty of Bali Chakravarti. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 1st chapter, 8th sloka. Bhavan Bhishmascha Karnascha Krupascha Samitinjayaha Asvathama Vikarnascha Saumadatistadhaivacha. Bhavan Bhishmascha Karnascha Krupascha Samitinjayaha Asvathama Vikarnascha Saumadatistadhaivacha. Srimannarayana Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.